30 kilometers from the Atlantic beaches and only 2 kilometers from the lively village of Saint-Ciers-du-Taillon. This charming 4-bedroom Charentaise farmhouse offers the perfect balance of countryside calm and coastal convenience. Lovingly maintained as a family home, the property blends character, comfort, and flexibility, making it equally suited as a permanent residence, holiday retreat, or easy lock-up and leave escape. On the ground floor, a spacious living and dining room welcomes you with a traditional fireplace at its heart, a warm and inviting space for gatherings throughout the year. The well-proportioned kitchen offers practicality and flow, while a generous ground floor bedroom and bathroom provide the option for single-level living or comfortable guest accommodation. Upstairs, 3 further bedrooms offer plenty of space for family and friends. The principal bedroom benefits from its own dressing room, and a family shower room serves this level. An attached garage provides useful storage or workshop space, adding to the home's practicality. Outside, the lifestyle appeal truly comes into its own. Set within almost half an acre of gardens, the swimming pool enjoys uninterrupted views across rolling countryside and vibrant sunflower fields, a peaceful and picturesque setting for long summer afternoons and relaxed outdoor entertaining. While some updating would enhance the property further, this has been thoughtfully reflected in the price, presenting a fantastic opportunity to personalize and add value. Characterful, well located, and full of potential, this is a wonderful chance to enjoy the best of rural Charente-Maritime living, just moments from village life and the Atlantic coast. Early viewing is highly recommended. Proudly elevated and overlooking open countryside, yet right within the village itself, this beautiful 18th century manor house offers history, space, and exciting potential, all in the sought-after Bay of Mont-Saint-Michel. With a village bar just a short stroll away and rural views stretching beyond, the setting perfectly balances community life and Normandy charm. Step inside and you immediately feel the character of the home. Tall double-glazed windows flood the interior with natural light across 3 spacious stories. The central wrought iron staircase rises gracefully through the house, connecting each level. On the ground floor, the entrance hall leads to a cloakroom with WC. To one side, the kitchen and dining room feature a granite fireplace with wood-burning stove, flowing through to a bright veranda overlooking the garden. On the other, a comfortable sitting and dining room provides further living space. Upstairs, the first floor offers 3 bedrooms and a shower room. The second floor, with the partly converted attic already in place, is a blank canvas, ready to become additional bedrooms, studio space, or a creative retreat. Oil-fired central heating provides radiators throughout, and beneath the house, a useful sous-sol adds practicality. Outside, the gardens include a glass greenhouse and a traditional well, while a separate second building presents significant opportunity. With the appropriate permissions, it could potentially become a gîte, guest house, or workshop, which would add versatility and value. Yes, a paintbrush and some insulation will go a long way here, but beneath it all stands a solid historic home filled with light, volume, and promise. Opportunities like this, combining heritage, village setting, and expansion potential near Mont-Saint-Michel, are increasingly rare. Early viewing is strongly advised. Set on the edge of a small village with sweeping views across open countryside, this charming 3-bedroom barn-style home offers space, light, and privacy in one of the most desirable pockets of the Tarn, ideally positioned within the renowned Golden Triangle, and just a short drive from the beautiful Bastide villages of Cordes, Saint-Ciers, and Cahuzac-sur-Ver. The property combines peaceful rural living with easy access to lively markets, restaurants, and everyday amenities. At the heart of the home lies a spectacular 79 square meter open plan living space. With its vaulted ceiling and generous proportions, This room effortlessly blends salon, kitchen, and dining areas into one bright, welcoming environment which is perfect for entertaining or relaxed family life. The house offers approximately 174 square meters of habitable space. On the lower ground floor, a bedroom and bathroom provide flexible accommodation, ideal for guests or semi-independent living. Practical features enhance the comfort of the home, including double glazing throughout, a substantial basement with garage, laundry area, and boiler room, and a recently constructed carport. Outside, the lifestyle appeal continues. A covered terrace sits beside the swimming pool, complete with an electric security cover, creating an inviting space for long summer afternoons overlooking the surrounding countryside. The property extends over 1.3 hectares of gently sloping land, currently maintained by a local farmer who cuts hay once or twice a year, a simple, low-maintenance solution that preserves the beauty of the setting without the upkeep. Spacious, characterful, and superbly located, this is a rare opportunity to own a home offering views, land, and tranquility in the heart of the Tarn, ideal as a permanent residence, second home, or investment property. Early viewing is highly recommended.